Right now, one of the biggest opportunities to make money online is content. People are building income streams from YouTube, TikTok, faceless pages, and affiliate promos. But here's the problem: most people either don't want to show their face or don't know how to actually create high quality videos consistently. And that's exactly why a lot of people never start. But what if you could turn your ideas into videos without filming, without editing, and without juggling a bunch of different tools? That's where AI comes in. And more specifically, tools like Flova. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's create some faceless content. Before I show you how this works, here's why this is so powerful. Flova AI consolidated not just these icons, but an entire ecosystem of 20 plus elite models, including next gen powerhouse like Nano Banana Pro and Kling 3 into a single unified entry point for just $19 a month. So instead of stacking multiple subscriptions, you can do everything in one place. The easiest way I started right now is with faceless content. Things like 5 facts you didn't know, okay? I started a channel like that, by the way, and it's doing pretty good, okay? Storytelling videos, niche educational clips do very well on YouTube. These formats work because they're scalable. They don't require you on camera, and they're easy to monetize. The only real issue is production. Turning ideas into actual videos take time unless you automate it. Now let's get into how you can actually use this to make some money. Okay, so I'm on the Flova website. All right, we're about to actually start a project. I'm so excited. This is Flova TV. These are some of the templates. Look how nice. They have a lot of anime. I'm loving this. I'm so excited. We're about to start our own project. So these are all giving me ideas. Look at this. All right, all right. Very beautiful templates. All right, so I'm about to put a prompt in. 5 facts you didn't know about space. Check out all the AI tools they use, models, the different models. See dance? Wow, Badoo, Kling, VO 3.1. I'm going to use Sora too. Oh, for music, they have Suno. And they have for narration 11 Labs. Okay, so they have the top of the top here, okay? So now I'm going to use Sora. They even have different skills and different elements you can use. There's so many wonderful tools you can use. Now we're going to do the storyboard. Now we're going to create this wonderful story, okay? So I'm checking things out with the AI assistant. 5 facts you didn't know about space. So the video type is knowledge explainer. It breaks everything down for you. Okay, we're gonna get the creative brief, the script, the storyboard, and then the visual generation plan. Okay, it's gonna map everything out by using Sora. Okay, I'm gonna have it in English. It's gonna be between 50 and 60 seconds. All right, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. And the landscape is gonna be 16 by 9. I check that off. Okay, then you go to the next page. It's gonna be a voiceover driven. I'm actually using this for my other channel that I have. Okay, the visual style is going to be cinematic. It's going to be space, sci-fi. Remember, it's going to be very knowledgeable. It's going to be very informative, epic, inspiring. Okay, you're going to learn today about space. I'm so excited. All right, and once you have that, the scene is going to keyframe the videos with Sora 2. Okay, so now once that happens, you press next, next, and then you confirm it. Okay, now the AI assistant is asking me some more questions. It says, do you want me to pause at key milestones for my review, or do you want me to just keep going? No, I want you to pause at keyframe milestones so I can review it and make sure I like what I'm seeing, right? I love to stop and make sure everything is going correctly. I'm so excited because this is definitely going to be on my Faceless website that I have, my Faceless YouTube channel that I have. And I'm very excited. Oh, I see a preview. I just seen a preview. Yes. We have the storyboard. We have the script. It's creating the visual assets. Okay, it's generating right now. It's generating from the prompts. I love it. It's going to be an enthusiastic, inspiring tone. Okay, and it's going to be a male voice or authoritative. Okay, and it's generating as I speak right now. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the visuals. It's going to be up to like a minute long. Remember, 16 by 9. Okay, so let's see. Oh, these are the first ones of the astronaut. Front view, a three-quarter view, and the back view. I love it. Okay, so now remember, this is going to be very informative, okay? So it's going to be 5 different scenes, 5 different visuals. Okay, so yes, it's creating now information. They're doing all the research, they're searching, they're generating now. Oh, I see scene 2. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. Okay, yes, I want you to animate the last 2 scenes. Yes, the remaining scenes. It's doing it. It asked me first. The AI works with me. The AI assistant with Flova works with me. I tell it what to do, and it does it. I love it. Narration and music. You're going to do the audio for me. Yes. Please assemble a rough cut preview. Is asking me, do I want, they're going to give me the background music, the narration, and do I want to assemble a rough cut view? Yes, I do want to see a preview. Okay. Assemble that for me, AI assistant. Okay, Flova. Oh, yes. Oh, that's so beautiful.
Here are 5 mind-blowing facts you didn't know about space. Fact 1. Space is completely silent. Without an atmosphere, sound has no medium to travel. Fact 2. The Sun is an absolute giant, making up 99.86% of all the mass in our solar system. Fact 3. There is a planet made entirely of diamonds. 55 Cancri E is twice the size of Earth and sparkles with precious gems. Fact 4. The footprints left on the Moon will stay there for 100 million years, as there is no wind to wash them away. And fact 5. Neutron stars can spin up to 600 times per second, shooting intense beams of light across the cosmos. Keep looking up.
You see that? Did you see that video? Oh, we made that video. And it did all the editing and everything. I didn't have to go put it on another platform, another tool to edit it. It did everything for me. The music background, the visuals, the facts, the information it gathered. So this video is going to my other channel where I do like facts. I do information. I do interesting facts. And it's a faceless channel. So that video would be fabulous. You can make so much money making videos like this and putting it on YouTube, put it on Instagram, even TikTok. I'm telling you, people love to learn. People like facts they didn't know about. That was an example of a great video that you can post. If you're into faceless videos or you want to start a channel, this is how you start a channel with Flova. Oh my goodness. That was visually just pleasing. It was beautiful. And we learned something today, right? We learned some new facts. Awesome. Now, I also want to address something a lot of people have been asking about. Sora. Sora is still accessible inside Flova right now. So you can continue using it as part of your workflow. But more importantly, Flova allows you to preserve everything you've created. All your past projects, assets, and workflows remain saved. So even if Sora 2 is eventually discontinued, your work doesn't disappear. Flova is not just a platform that gives you access to different models. It acts like an intelligent system that understands how each model works and how they can be combined. So if you're someone who's been relying on Sora, you don't have to worry about losing that capability. You can simply tell Flova what kind of results you're aiming for, and it will guide you toward the best model, or even a combination of models to recreate or improve that output. You want to try Flova's AI Hub? Click the link in my description down below. Here's the new official offer. No more 1,000 credit deal. instant access plus 200 free credits and 200 free credits every week for logging in, create nonstop without extra cost. There's also a great referral system. Earn 200 credits per referral, up to 2,000 total. And the best part? All 20 plus elite Flova models would cost about $120 a month on their own. No. Flova's AI Hub is just $19 a month. Plus skills. If you want low upfront efficient content creation, this is a must test. Come on, try out Flova. You're not going to regret it. Bow. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below. You'll try creating with Flova AI. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.